Hey guys, this is Daddy6 at Black Fox Knife Works. So today I'm going to be reviewing the safety equipment that I recommend when you get into knife making. First off, most important I believe, is getting a respirator that works. So a respirator like this, they're pretty cheap. This one's really nice because when you put it on, it's got a little strap to tighten it down. Right here, so that's locked in place on your head, and if you want to take it off really quick, you just pop this up, it lengthens the strap, and you're able to pull this off to get a drink of water or something, and then you just pull it back down to cinch it back up. Really great mask. I'll try to put the link down below. Made by 3M, and then you use these little, use these P100 filters on the side. This will keep out any particulates small enough to try to damage your lungs over time. So metal shavings, wood shavings, highly recommend. This is the most important, one of the most important, if not the most important piece of safety equipment I recommend. Second up, just as important, is eye protection. So I've been using this Bionic Face Shield by Uvex. It's been good. Kind of gets dusty and it's kind of hard to see through sometimes, and kind of gets some scratches really easy. But overall, it's been a good face shield. Gives you a bit more confidence to approach the grinder when your whole face is covered, in case, when you're new, you're not sure about belts, you're not sure about, what things are going to do when you go up to something that's spinning really fast. So this gives you a bit more confidence to approach the grinder. This fits right over my head with the respirator. So this is contoured for that, the Bionic version. Easy adjustability, pretty nice little head rest up here, and then to take it out, it's pretty simple. You just pop this out and then pop in a new one. And then another piece of safety equipment you can get is some hearing protection, which can also be nice if you're spending a long day on the grinder and you want to protect your hearing. All right, so if you have any questions, be sure to check out our website at Black Fox Knife Works, where we sell our 2x72 belt grinder and attachments. And then if you have any questions, email us at info@blackfoxknifeworks.com. Thanks guys, and have safe grinding.